Assalamu alaikum. You are listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir. I am Ibn Salam with Kashmir Update. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, senior all-parties Hurriyat Conference leader and the president of Jammu and Kashmir Anjumani Shara-e-Shian, Agha Saeed Hassan Al-Moswi Al-Safwi has said that dialogue is the only way to move forward on the Kashmir dispute. According to Kashmir Media Service, the veteran Hurriyat leader, while delivering Friday's sermon at Central Imam Bargah in Budgam today, said the Kashmir dispute is a reality and durable peace and development cannot be established in the region without its amicable settlement. He said the leadership of Pakistan and India should start dialogue over Kashmir as strained relations between the two countries are of no help. He said the Hurriyat leadership is ready to support such process at any level, but let the two nations first adopt a step-by-step approach. Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Shah Mahmood Qureshi, said that Indian Prime Minister's meeting with Kashmiri leaders yesterday was a drama that produced nothing. Addressing a news conference in Islamabad today, he said the all-parties Hurriyat Conference, the genuine political leadership of Kashmiri people, was not invited to the meeting. Terming Modi and company's statement that decision about restoration of the special status of occupied territory will be taken at any appropriate time as ambiguous, Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that Modi government is trying to repair its image that has been badly damaged within the country as well as at international level. People belonging to different walks of life in their interviews in Srinagar said that by participating in the meeting convened by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in New Delhi yesterday, pro-India politicians in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have normalized the abrogation of the territory's special status by Modi regime on 5th August 2019. Journalist and political commentator Najib Mubaraki and former professor of law Dr. Sheikh Shaukat Hussain said the meeting essentially meant nothing because the Indian government talked to a set of people who have no authentic representative character. Meanwhile, Indian troops in their fresh act of state terrorism martyred two Kashmiri youth during a violent coordinated search operation in Hanjipora area of Shopian district today. The operation continued till the last reports came in. The occupation authorities suspended the internet service in Shopian district to prevent people from sharing information about the latest situation in coordinated area. Senior Hurriyat leader Ghulam Muhammad Khan Sopori, in a statement issued in Srinagar, paid glowing tribute to the youth recently martyred by Indian troops in Sopore, Pulwama and Shopian. One Indian soldier was killed and two others injured when lightning struck a post of Indian Army in Saujian sector along the line of control in Poonch district early today morning. India's notorious National Investigation Agency has filed a charge sheet in its court in Jammu against 7 persons in a fake case registered against them in December last. Indian police also presented a challan against 3 Kashmiri youth in a court of NIA in Jammu. The special cell of Delhi police arrested 4 students from Kargil district of Ladakh region in connection with the blast that took place on January 29th this year outside the Israeli embassy in New Delhi. On the other hand, Samyukt Kisan Morcha, an association of over 40 farmer unions in India, has announced sit-in protests tomorrow to mark the completion of 7 months of farmers' agitation in the country. The protesting farmer unions have announced to stage protests in front of governor houses of various Indian states against the 3 anti-agricultural farm laws. And this is for now. Have a good night and keep listening Radio Sadai Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir.